Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to use increase indent and decrease indent on your Canva DOS on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe, and below we just quickly move on to the video.
How to use increase indent and decrease indent. So I'm just going to show in this small video.
So first of all, I just need to make exactly this word, this letter, or in this sentence should be a increase indent. So after selecting that exact word or paragraph, whatever you just needed, just right here, you have this option called indent. This is the increase indent. Click this so you can see it's increased. So increased again. So if you just make to decrease it, this indent, just click this again. So this will decrease the indent. For an example, here I just going to make this search option as a increase indent. Click on the search option as a single letter. Just go here and you can see the indent has been working. Same process can be repeated for this too. So this can be so useful while just creating the paragraph and typing the whole document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.